children are innocent and somehow the HIV positive adults are guilty somehow. No one with the disease is guilty. Marz ko nafrat karo, mariz ko nahi. And this, I think, should we carry forth with the policy? It must be this policy. We are also engaged in a campaign of creating billboards to end stigma, to precisely talk about the ways that HIV does not spread. We have already put up one billboard in Jamshoro showing a cartoon of a HIV positive girl and an HIV negative girl holding hands. I really do fear for Pakistan, if we don't band together soon, we have the perfect recipe for an HIV epidemic. What we know, in my opinion, from what I've seen, is only the tip of the iceberg. There are people dying every day of a disease that is frankly very manageable. In Pakistan, we have a 33 or 30% rate of diabetes among adults. We have a huge tuberculosis problem. These diseases are not very manageable. They require a lot of lifestyle changes. They require a lot of pain. They require a lot of, you can't eat any of this, if you are a diabetic. But HIV is manageable. It's one pill a day. If you find out you're HIV positive, all you need to do is register with CDC or with the NACP, get your goli for free, take it. It is that simple. I have seen it work. And you will become undetectable. Those who are undetectable are a block in the chain. And we, as much as we need to focus on syringe reuse, we must also focus on blocking that chain from the adult high-risk population who doesn't know that they're positive, who sits at Velika Hospital, and whatever medical practitioner is there is taking one syringe out and putting it in someone else. This is really the problem. And another thing I would like to emphasize very quickly, and I'll stop, is one, we have to end the shame around HIV, because people are dying of shame before they're dying of AIDS. And we must also make people aware of PrEP, pre-exposure prophylactic, which if there are people who are engaged in lots of sexual activity, even if they are laborers or if they are the common man, then they should be on this PrEP, and they will, if they do sleep with someone who is HIV positive, it will not be transferred onto them, and they will also be a block in the chain. The world has seen a 70% decrease in HIV and AIDS, and a much higher decrease in deaths of HIV and AIDS. Pakistan, on the other hand, in the past 3 years has witnessed a 100% increase in the amount of HIV positive patients, from 160,000 to now 400,000. And we have also witnessed a quadruple in the death rate, from just a couple thousand in 2010 to now 14,000 recorded in 2024 and 2025, respectively. Thank you.